Good morning, 5th class children. Very good morning. Okay, in the last class, I told you lesson 2 Dhyan Chand notes. Have you all copied the notes? Very good. And so, now in this class, I want to tell you new lesson. What is our new lesson name? So, first lesson completed, my book's poem completed, lesson 2 Dhyan Chand completed, and now lesson 3. So, I posted you the classworks, lesson 1 and lesson 2. Have you all wrote the classworks? Okay, ma. After writing, everybody should learn that. Okay. So, now in this class, I want to tell you lesson 3. What is our lesson 3 name? Ashraf's invention. So, invention means what? Ashraf's invention. So, Ashraf, a small boy. Ashraf is a small boy. He want to invent the things. Okay, he shows more interest to know about new things and to invent new things. Invent means kanukodam anamata. So, he want to do experiments on the things. Okay, okay, ma. Coming to the lesson, Ashraf's invention. Let us read a story about Ashraf. Let us read a story about Ashraf. A boy from Nigeria who loved to invent things. Invent means first made. Okay, invent things. So, he want to invent the things. Next, the day began like any other day except for one thing. So, all the days, so like daily he woke up in the morning and his day was started. Ashraf was in a hurry. He rushed to eat breakfast. So, he is in a hurry to go to school. Okay, he is running. Okay, time is up. That's why he is in a hurry to rush to eat breakfast. He rushed to pick up his school bag and he rushed to get on the bus for school. Okay, his school bus is waiting outside. That's why he is running to catch the school bus, pick up. It's okay. He rushed to pick up his school bag and rushed to get on the bus for school. He rushed to get on the bus for school. So, he is in a hurry that time is up and the bus is waiting. I have to pick up the school bag, I have to eat the breakfast and I have to run and go and sit in the bus and go to the school. Okay. Everything else was happening slowly. He noticed that Ada, the bus driver's foot barely touched the pedal. Okay. Ada is a school bus driver. Okay. He stopped the bus near that stopping where this Ashraf stopping was. Okay. Where this Ashraf want to get into the bus. Here there is the bus stop. Okay. Near that bus stop, Ada, the school bus driver, he stopped the bus by putting his foot on the pedal. Like means brake వేసాడు అన్నమాట. Okay. Ada was determined to take her time this morning. When Ashraf finally glimpsed the low brown school building, he rushed to the front of the bus. Not so fast, Ada boomed. Wait for the bus to stop completely first. So, even after getting into the bus also, Ashraf want to get down the bus and he was standing on the footpath. Okay, మెట్లెక్కేది ఉంటుంది కదా వ్యాన్ బస్సులో ఆ బస్ అక్కడ నుంచున్నాడు అనమాట. We want to get into the school fast. Okay, so the bus driver shouted, why you are in a hurry? Slow. Not so fast. Ada boomed. Waited for the bus to stop completely first. You have to wait until the bus stops. You should not run and you should not get down from the bus. Like that, Ada shouted. Sorry, Ada, I need to get to class right away. I want to go fast, he called as he jumped out of the bus and ran to his classroom. He is not listening to anyone. He want to run and he want to go to the classroom first. So what is the reason? See here. First lesson was science. So their first period was science. But Ashraf was not listening. So his mood is in another accept. That's why he is not listening. He is thinking something else. Okay, his mind is wandering somewhere. Atanu edo alochistunnadu. He don't want to listen to the science class. His eyes were on the clock. He was waiting for the 11 a.m. first break. So morning first break will be there, no? Morning short break. So for that break he is waiting. Oh, when this first period will complete, second period when it will complete, when our short break will come. Like that he is waiting for the short break. As soon as he heard the bell, he headed out the yard. So immediately after the bell, he ran to the yard. Yard means that open place will be there, no, where children will play in the school. To that ground he went. Hey Yugen. So Yugen is Ashraf's friend. Yugen. Hey Yugen, do you want to come around after school to fly on my plane? Okay, he invented a plane. He invented a plane. That's why this Ashraf want to show that plane to his friends. That's why he is in a hurry that to meet his friends and tell about that plane. So he asked Yugen, hey Yugen, do you want to come around after school to fly on my plane? What plane, Sigan? Come over here. So Sigan, one more friend, Sigan. What plane? Sigan, come over here. Yugen called loudly. Ashraf has a plane. Would you like to go to Jupiter or Saturn? So you can go in that plane to Mars or plane to space. So where you want to go? You want to go to Jupiter or near Saturn? They are asking for fun. Look, I promise you that I have a plane. It can seat 4 people comfortably. So in that plane 4 people can sit comfortably. Come and see. Ashraf persisted. Persisted means what? Continue to request his friends to come home. Hey, please come to my home. I want to show you my plane to you all. Please come to my house. Like that he is pleasing his friends. I got into, okay, once again. Look, I promise you that I have a plane. It can seat 4 people comfortably. Come and see. Ashraf persisted. Is it like the time you made a time capsule that you could send us into the future? Sagan reminded him. So, not only this plane, he also invented before that time capsule. Okay, మీ అందరిని ఫ్యూచర్లోకి తీసుకెళ్ళిపోతాను అని ఒక టైం క్యాప్సూల్ చేశాడు, అది ఫెయిల్ అయిపోయింది అనమాట. సో ఇదివరకు ఇలా చేసావు కదా, టైం క్యాప్సూల్ ఇన్వెంట్ చేసావు కదా, like that you are planning to do it again. You already got a failure. So Ashraf got one failure. So he already failed in inventing time capsule. Time capsule ekkada untundi, future ki ekkada veltamu. So it was flopped. So like that Yugen asked that Ashraf that you already did one. Sagan asked Ashraf, you already did one time capsule, it was flopped. Why again you are doing this plane? Is it like the time you made a time capsule that could send us into the future? Sagan reminded him. I got into so much trouble thinking that I would wake up and find myself 2 grades up. I stopped studying for my exams and got all this, said Yugen. So this Yugen, what he commented on that time capsule, hey Ashraf, you already told that if you go to the time capsule you will be 2 years before, and I stopped reading and I thought that I will be in the 2 upgrades, but again my future is like this only. That's why the time capsule failed. Okay, understood? ఈ టైం క్యాప్సిల్ కనుక్కుని మిమ్మల్ని ఫ్యూచర్లోకి పంపిస్తాను అని చెప్పాడు అనమాట అష్రఫ్. సో యుగేన్ ఏం చేశాడు, హీ స్టాప్ రీడింగ్. నేను ఇంకా 2 క్లాసెస్ ముందుకెళ్ళిపోయాను, 2 ఇయర్స్ ముందుకెళ్ళిపోయాను అని చదవడం మానేశాడు అనమాట. సో అదేమి సక్సెస్ అవ్వలేదు, మనం ఇక్కడే ఉన్నాము, ఈ స్కూల్లోనే చదువుకుంటున్నాము, ఇలాగే ఆడుకుంటున్నాము అని హీ కామెంటెడ్ ఆన్ దట్ టైమ్ క్యాప్సిల్. ఓకే, ఫన్నీ, దేర్ విల్ బి నో టైమ్ క్యాప్సిల్, నథింగ్. ఓకే, Or is this like the time you dismantled your dad's radio? So again he repaired his dad's radio also. So Ashraf is not a ordinary person. He did very big things. Okay, he invented time capsule and he spoiled his dad's radio. Dad's radio, telling us that the radio frequencies can turn into the waves and that would make you as invisible. ఏం చెప్పాడంట, రేడియోలో ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీస్ ఉంటాయి, వాటితో పాటు మనం కూడా వేవ్స్ లాగా మారిపోయి మాయమైపోతాము అని చెప్పారంట. ఎవరైనా మాయమైపోతారా? ఇన్విజిబుల్ అవుతారా? ఓకే, ఇన్ మూవీస్ దే విల్ డూ, బట్ హౌ ఈజ్ ఇట్ పాసిబుల్ ఇన్ రియల్ లైఫ్? నో, నాట్ పాసిబుల్. ఓకే, I got into trouble for making faces thinking nobody could see me, laughed Sagan. Okay, this Sagan what did? He thought that he really invisible to all and he did many funny things also. Oh Ashraf, you just never give up, said Eugen. Okay, whatever it may be, you are inventing very good things. We encourage you. Let it be. You go on inventing things. Well, you must come this time. I have found the formula, Ashraf insisted. Okay, now it's time to come all to my house to see the formula what I have invented. నేను ఏం కనుక్కున్నానో మీ అందరూ ఒకసారి మా ఇంటికి వచ్చి చూడాలి అని చెప్పాడు అనమాట. క్లియర్? ఓకే, మోర్ లైక్ ద ఫార్ములా ఫర్ గెటింగ్ ఇన్ టు ద ట్రబుల్. నువ్వు మళ్ళీ మమ్మల్ని ఇబ్బందుల్లో పడేస్తావు. అదేం ఫార్ములా రా బాబు, మళ్ళీ మమ్మల్ని ఇబ్బందుల్లో పడేస్తావు. ఓకే, మోర్ లైక్ ద ఫార్ములా ఫర్ గెటింగ్ ఇన్ టు ట్రబుల్. సో 3 friends are discussing, but they are not discouraging Ashraf, they are encouraging him. Okay, let it be, you go, you do, even you do also, you will get one time success, you never give up. అంటే ఎవరు కూడా ఆష్రాఫ్ని నువ్వు ఈ పని చేయొద్దు, ఇలా చేస్తే వాళ్ళు ఎవరు భయపెట్టట్లేదు. వాళ్ళు ఏమంటున్నారు, నువ్వు ఎన్నైనా తయారు చేయి, we will encourage you. Like that they are encouraging his friend, their friend Ashraf. Okay, more like the formula for getting into trouble, Sagan said, but I will come just for your mom's delicious chocolate cake. Okay ra, I will come to your house definitely, but not to see your invention. Your mother will prepare delicious chocolate cake, to eat that I will come. Understood? Ashraf వాళ్ళ మామ్ చాక్లెట్ కేక్ టేస్టీగా చేస్తారంట, అది తినడానికైనా మీ ఇంటికి వస్తాము అని చెప్పారంట. The friends walked towards the playground. Okay, did you mention chocolate? I mean, Eugen shouted. నా కోసం వస్తావా, చాక్లెట్ కేక్ కోసం వస్తావా అని అరిచాడను. ఓకే, Eugen shouted. The friends walked towards the playground to join the rest of the class huddled in conversation. Okay, let's go to the class and evening we will plan what to do. Okay, here come the 3 musketeers. So 3 close friends. Musketeers means like close friends. అందరూ కొనుక్కుంటున్నారనమాట, అందరూ మర్మరింగ్ చేస్తున్నారనమాట. అబ్బా వచ్చారయ్యా ముగ్గురు ఫ్రెండ్స్, like that. Okay, here are the 3 musketeers. I wonder that new adventure they are cooking this time, Simon declared. Okay, one boy is there, Simon. Again they are planning to do one new thing, that's why their faces are like that. వాళ్ళు ఏదో మళ్ళీ ఇంకొక అడ్వెంచర్ చేయబోతున్నారు అని సైమన్ డిక్లేర్ చేశాడు. Just ignore him, Ashraf said. Don't listen to his words, just ignore him, he always disappoints us. Don't listen to Simon. Okay, Simon, are you coming? And don't tell him about this evening. Simon, are you coming to see Ashraf's new flying saucer? We can all book where we want to go. Just now Ashraf told that not to tell Simon anything. చెప్పొద్దని చెప్పాడు కదా. But Sagan, what he did, Sagan, Simon, you will come to the house, he is going to launch a new plane today, like that he told. Simon, are you coming to see Ashraf's new flying saucer? We can all book where we want to go. I think I like the air in Lagos and the sand in Kano is really pretty this time of year, Sagan called out. why did you have to go and do that? Ashraf stormed off, clearly upset. Ashraf తిట్టాడనమాట. వాడికి చెప్పొద్దని చెప్పాను కదా, నువ్వు ఎందుకు చెప్పావు అని సెగాన్ని తిట్టాడనమాట. Why you told him? Like that he shouted, Segan. I am sorry, but so many of your inventions and experiments have not worked out, Segan said as he ran after Ashraf. సో అష్రాఫ్కి ఏం చెప్పాడు, సరే సరే సారీ, నేను కానీ నీవేవి కూడా కరెక్ట్గా చెయ్యవు కదా, నువ్వు అన్నీ ఏదో ఒకటి తప్పులు చేస్తావు కదా, దట్స్ వై ఐ టోల్డ్. లైక్ దట్ హీ టోల్డ్ అండ్ ran. I thought we were friends. You are supposed to support me no matter what, Ashraf muttered, still angry. Okay, why you both are my friends, why you are telling about my inventions to all? We should not do like that, we are all friends, we should not do like that. Like that Ashraf muttered. Muttered means what? Said in low voice that is difficult to hear. Okay, why you are both are doing like that? I told that to not to tell to Simon anything, but you told. What is the reason? Like that Ashraf warned the two friends. Look, I will be there, all right, Segan replied as they made their way back to the classroom. Again they all went to the classroom. Ashraf was secretly delighted that his friends had decided to give him another chance. The rest of the day flew by. Soon it was time to get on the bus for home. As soon as the bus stopped in front of his house, Ashraf raced inside. Okay, so the next Ashraf was secretly delighted that his friends had decided to give him another chance. Yeah, I have a very good friends and they believed me and they are coming to my house. It was time to get on the bus for home. As soon as the bus stopped in front of his house, Ashraf raced inside. He needed to get comfortable seats on his plane for his two best friends. So he is getting ready that 2 seats for his friend in the plane. He went to the living room and grabbed his mom's favorite purple cushions. సో ప్లెయిన్లో కుషన్స్ పెట్టాడనమాట, సీట్స్ లాగా వాళ్ళ ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఇద్దరు కూర్చోడానికి. పర్పుల్ కలర్ కుషన్స్ ఉంటాయి. కుషన్స్ అంటే తెలుసు కదా, మెత్తగా ఉంటాయి చూడండి, మనకి సోఫాలో వాటిల్లో వేసుకుంటారు కదా కొంతమంది, పిల్లోస్ లాంటివి. ఆ కుషన్స్ తీసుకెళ్ళి అవి బాక్స్లో అన్ని ప్యాక్ చేస్తున్నాడు. హీ నీడెడ్ సమ్ స్ట్రింగ్ టు మేక్ ష్యూర్ దట్ దే వర్ fastened securely for takeoff and knew just where to get it. Dad had a string in his tool box. స్ట్రింగ్ అంటే సన్న ఊస లాంటిది అనమాట, అంటే వాళ్ళు టేక్ ఆఫ్ అప్పుడు వాళ్ళు పడిపోకుండా ఆ ఊస కట్టుకోవాలి అనేసి ఆ టూల్ బాక్స్లోంచి స్ట్రింగ్ కూడా తీసుకెళ్ళి అన్నీ ప్యాక్ చేస్తున్నాడు అనమాట ప్లేన్ తయారు చేయడానికి. The only thing left was to get some refreshments. So he thought that we are in plane and we want some refreshments to eat. తినడానికి ఏమైనా కావాలి కదా. Mom's chocolate cake would do nicely, but he needed to find 2 tables to rest them on. Okay, mom will do chocolate cake for me, but to put that chocolate cake on that I want one table. He remembered that he had a pair of round hats. So round hats will be there now, like round hats, like that. Some round hats, 2 round hats he is having. So he kept the 2 round hats on the pillows to keep that refreshments on that to eat. He remembered that he had a pair of 2 round hats, the perfect place to put a snack. Now all he had to do was to get his helmet ready and climbed into the cockpit while he waited for his friends to arrive. So he want to sit in the cockpit and he want to start the plane. Okay, he want to start the plane. Grabbing his yellow bicycle helmet, so his bicycle have one helmet and he kept that helmet on his head. Ashraf made his way to the backyard. He took a minute to survey his creation in its entire splendor. Splendor means grand beauty. So just he brought a good look to the plane. So he want to start the plane and take his friends into the space. It was magnificent. Strong brown body with large wide wings and solid wheels. He looked around impatiently, wondering where his friends were. So he is searching for his friends. Okay, come on, let's go and start the plane. Ashraf, where are you? this better be good. I am missing watching saucer with dad for his second. Announced their arrival. Okay, now we are ready to arrive and we are coming near you. Okay, వీళ్ళందరూ రెడీ అయిపోయారనమాట ఆయన ప్లేన్ ఎక్కడానికి, ఆష్రాఫ్ ప్లేన్ ఎక్కడానికి. This is going to make your day. Come on over. I am at the back, Ashraf replied. Okay, come on, I am on the back. He hurriedly climbed into the cockpit, pulling on his helmet. He wanted to make sure he was ready when they got around. Okay, I am ready, but you are late. You come and sit in the plane. Like that, he shouted. He checked the wings and the wheels to make sure that everything was perfect for takeoff. Hurry, he called out loudly. Just then, Ashraf heard a rumbling coming towards him. What is going on, Sagan? Again, he asked in panic. సో భయపడుతూ అడుగుతాడు అనమాట. వీడికి మొదటి నుంచి భయమే, వీడు ఏం చేస్తాడు, నన్ను ఎక్కడైనా పడేస్తాడేమో అని అనేసి వీడు మొదటి నుంచి భయపడుతూనే ఉన్నాడు. సేగాన్ ఏం చేస్తున్నారా, ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తున్నాం మనం అని. Okay, a herd of children were trooping into his backyard, marching towards him. A group of children are running and coming near them. There were children everywhere surrounding Ashraf, staring up at him. This Simon, what he did, he brought all the children to the Ashraf's house. Ashraf starting up at him. They were all talking at once. Yugen and Sagan pushed through the crowd to get a better look at their friend. He was perched high on a mango tree, clasping onto a branch. There is nothing plain, nothing, anything, ఏమీ లేదనమాట. వాడు ఏం చేశాడు, ఒక పెద్ద బ్లాంకెట్ వేసుకుని మామిడి చెట్టు కొమ్మ మీద కూర్చున్నాడు అనమాట. కూర్చుని వీళ్ళకి సీట్లు అవన్నీ అరేంజ్ చేసి అదేదో అలా పైకి వెళ్ళిపోతాము మనము అనేసి వాడు ఏదో ఇన్వెంట్ చేశాడనమాట. ఇట్స్ అ ఫన్నీ ఇన్సిడెంట్ హ్యాపెండ్ ఇన్ Ashraf's house. Okay. Okay. Yugen and Sagan pushed through the crowd to get a better look at their friend. He was perched high on a mango tree, clasping onto a branch. On two branches were two hats with a slice of chocolate cake on each. Okay. వాడు ఇంతకీ ఎక్కడ కూర్చోబెట్టాడు, వీళ్ళందరినీ తీసుకెళ్ళి మామిడి చెట్టు కొమ్మ మీద, మ్యాంగో బ్రాంచ్ మీద కూర్చోబెట్టాడు. ఓకే. Okay, listen. Some flying saucers, the children muttered. It is just a tree. Disappointed, they turned and walked off. Ashraf told that there is a plane and something else, but there is nothing. It's just a tree, branch. Okay, mango tree. They all went back. Ashraf sat gloomily in his imaginary cockpit. You should not have told everyone. So what Ashraf is shouting on Sagan and Simon, that you should not tell anyone. You should not have told everyone. Now I can't go back to the school, not never, he started dramatically. Yugen and Sagan scrambled up the tree and sat beside him. Okay, they both are sitting quietly on the back of Ashraf. Look, Ashraf, I like all your harebrained ideas and one day you might build all these things for real. Sagan encouraged him. For now we will help you, but you will need much more than a tree to get into space. Okay, but this time we encouraged you, but next time you have to plan a good plane and you should take us to the space. But even now the friends are not discouraging Ashraf. You two are great, Ashraf said, hugging them. గట్టిగా పట్టుకుని మీ ఇద్దరు నాకు నిజమైన ఫ్రెండ్స్, యూ టూ ఆర్ గ్రేట్ అని చెప్పాడు అనమాట. ఎవరు? Ashraf. ఎవరిని? Yugen and Sagan. Okay. We can look up inventions in my science book and maybe we can start small, like how to boil an egg using heat from the sun. Yugen supported. Hey, steady, on or we will all fat off the tree. Yugen warned. Fall off the tree. ఇంకా దిగండి లేకపోతే మన అందరం చెట్టు నుంచి పడిపోతామని Yugen warned. Hey, steady on or we will all fall off the tree. And then Ashraf, you would have to invent an instant parachute to save us. Then if we fall, you have to invent a beautiful parachute also, small parachute also to save us. Sagan laughed as the three friends made their way down. Okay. It's a funny incident. Even in your classes also, when you three friends are talking, you will talk about the inventions and what to do like this and new things like that. Okay, among yourself how you will talk and discuss like that. These three friends also spoke among them, and they discussed about that invention. Okay, beautiful lesson, ma. I will post this lesson in your WhatsApp group so that it will be easy for you to read the textbook. Once you listen to the video, and if you won't understand, listen the video, read that pages. Okay, okay, ma. Enough for today. Take care. Bye.